Trick or treat! Hey everyone! So today's Wednesday, October the 30th, which means it's one day before Halloween. I'm so freaking excited. It's gonna be my one and only real Halloween here in Canada because we don't celebrate it back home. Today in school it's Decades Day, which means we have to dress up as our favorite decades. Nobody really does it anyways, but I mean this is my only year here, so I'm gonna try. All my friends are dressing up as hippies, but since I'm here just for short period of time, I didn't bring any clothes like that. All I brought with me were just very basic pieces, so I kind of put together a really simple outfit and told myself that I kind of look like Rachel or Monica from the Friends. So that's what I'm doing. I'm being Monica and Friends for the 90s decade. And yeah, after school I'm going to Scouts and I'm gonna dress up because it's a dress up day for Halloween. I'm gonna dress up as a princess, and yeah, that's it. Bye bye. You're there.
No.
Hey, what do we have right now?
We have a shitty ethics class.
Yeah, exactly.
The guy that was in
SMSXTQ2, Greater Northern Vibes. I'm going to the league, LSU.
Wow. Thank you for that. Bye. Oh my god. Hi. Okay, so I'm going home. I'm just gonna quickly change to a costume and we're gonna go to Scouts. And yeah. We look very, very nice.
very nice.
Hey everyone! Okay, so it's the next morning. Today is the Halloween day and it's freaking raining. So I don't know if we're going trick-or-treating or not. All my friends are really not excited to go because obviously it's raining. I'm going to school now. I have a pumpkin shirt on, so I'm kind of festive but not really, and then we'll see. Wow! What are we even? It's ghosts?
Yeah.
Ghosts. What do you think?
You're special.
Bye! Wow!
Yeah, let's go.
I'm Chris' house. Let's go, let's go! Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Trick or treat! So happy. Do we have a lot of candy?
Yeah.
Good. Trick or treat! I got it! Are people giving us?
Yeah, especially me for obvious reasons. My costume is blankets. I'm dressed as a blanket.
Oh my god,
Am I
yeah.
scary? Of course I am. Because I'm 20. It's a real witch.
Oh my god, I can see.
Kids, come on.
Est-ce que vous voulez fêter avec ça? C'est pour les mamans. Je suis plus contente de ma vie.
What do we think?
Best day ever.
Hey everyone! So, it's the day after Halloween. The wind is crazy, so I hope you can hear me good. Well, anyway, yesterday we got home, but yeah, I had so much fun. Even if it was raining, I was so happy because I had so much candy. Yeah, today I'm going to school, and after school, I'm going to my friend's house where we will get ready and go to a Halloween party. So I'm gonna text you there. What's happened? School got cancelled because the power is out, so now we have to go home. Love the YouTuber. Oh my god, yeah. So we're going home.
Wow, this is a good day.
This is an amazing day. Okay, hey. So This is when the vlog gets kind of confusing because I know I said I'm going to a Halloween party, but we just ended up hanging at my friend's house like all day, and then we didn't find a ride that would get us to the Halloween party, so we just ended up staying home. And then the next day my friend, the same friend that I was with, threw her own party, and it wasn't like it was supposed to be a sleepover, but then yeah, I mean, you'll see. And also it's not Halloween themed, it's just I made a bunch of videos and I wanted to remember it, so I'm just like putting it into this video because it was like the next day. But yeah, enjoy.
Now all I see is honey from the tree.
So yeah, that's all that I got from that night. I also forgot to end the video, which isn't a surprise because I literally forget every time. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. I know it was really messy and really short and the quality wasn't really the best, but I filmed everything on my iPhone 6, which is like, I mean, I have my camera, but it's just easier, you know, when you're in high school you don't want to bring all that unnecessary attentions to yourself, so I just filmed everything on my iPhone and yeah, that's what you get. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I will see you next week and bye!
Best day ever!